If you have a child with an IEP and the program in school offered to you by your district is not appropriate for them, your next question might be if you can receive reimbursement for the private program you've picked out. I'm Jennifer Ratcliff, and I'm an attorney in New York practicing solely in the area of special education law. Today I'm going to be discussing how to determine if the program that you've chosen for your special needs child is reimbursable. In other words, if you sue your district for reimbursement, and assuming that you're successful in your lawsuit, is it the type of program that you can receive money for? I get this question a lot, but the truth is that the first place a family should go to for answers in this area is the school itself. In order to get reimbursement or funding for a family, I either need to settle or win an award at hearing. And in order to do that, I need certain documents from that program or I need them to be willing to testify at the hearing. If the school isn't willing to provide the documents or testify at the hearing for your reimbursement case, there's no way I can get you reimbursed. So the first place you have to start with is an inquiry with the school. Once I know they're on board with us, then we have to look at the program itself. I'm often asked if a program that's primarily for general education students is reimbursable. The truth is that that's a tricky question, and it must be answered on a case-by-case basis. However, I can tell you that your child does need to have an IEP in order to seek funding under the IDEA, and at least some of their program has to have special education supports attached to it. So it is possible to get some or even the bulk of a general education tuition paid for, but you have to have something else in there as well, such as speech and language, occupational therapy, special education tutoring, or special education teacher support services, also known as SEITs, or a special education itinerant teacher, also known as a SEIT. The bottom line is, if the school your child is going to is willing to work with us, your child has an IEP, and is going to a program that is supported by the assessments and evaluations that we have, then we can usually sit down and talk about how we can make that program reimbursable. It is always worthwhile to talk to an attorney. So give us a call at 646-741-3030 or email us at jennifer@ratclifflaw.org. We're happy to discuss these issues with you.